Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to lock the Busha app. Now, locking the Busha app typically involves utilizing your device's security features, as Busha itself may not have a separate built-in app lock. Here's how you can achieve this. Open your device settings application, navigate to the security or privacy section. Look for options like screen lock, app lock, or app protection. The exact name may vary depending on your device operating system, that is Android or iOS. Now, if you haven't already set a screen lock, you'll be prompted to choose a lock type, such as PIN, password, pattern, or biometric authentication, that is fingerprint or face recognition. Now, you need to follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen lock type. And if your device has an app lock feature, you see a list of installed apps. Just select the Busha app. Then you should toggle the switch or button to enable app lock for the Busha app. You may be asked to verify your identity using your device screen lock or biometric authentication. Now, if your device doesn't have an inbuilt app lock feature, you can download the third-party app locker from your app store, that is Google Play or Apple App Store. Grant the app locker the necessary permission. Open the app locker and select the Busha app. Choose the lock method, which is PIN, pattern, whatever, and set it up. Now, some financial apps allow biometric security within the app itself. Check the Busha security settings to see if this is an option. And if the option is there, enable the biometric security and follow the on-screen prompts.